What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to activate Google Pay in Stripe. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and type in Stripe. After typing, you will see the first official website of Stripe. Click on that and you will be welcome to this home page of Stripe. Now on your right side top, click on Dashboard. Remember, this dashboard option will only show if you have already logged in to Stripe. If you want to create a new account, you will see the option of sign in here and just simply sign in, and then you will be able to access the dashboard of Stripe. Now, when you are on the dashboard on your right side, you will see this option of settings. Just simply click on this option, and after clicking you will see this page open. And now here, scroll a bit down and click on payments. Now when you come to payments, on your top you can see the option of payment methods. Just click on this payment methods. Now after coming to payment methods, just search for Google Pay, and as you can see here, it is Google Pay wallet. On your right side, just click on this turn on button and you will see that your Google Pay account and your Google Pay has been successfully activated on Stripe. So this is how you can activate Google Pay in Stripe. That was all for this video guys. Thank you for watching.